You can download the art seen in the video for free, link in the description. First, add a script to your character body 2D node. We will add 3 variables: speed to control how fast the character will move, target position to define the player's destination, movement tween will be used to make the movement smooth and allow for the player to get to that target position. We will then add the built-in input function. Inside, we'll check if there is a mouse button action occurring and that button is the left mouse button. We also make sure to check dot pressed as to ensure that the code only runs once after pressing the left mouse button. We can then set the target position to the global mouse position. Add the built-in physics process function. Inside, we will first check if global position is not equal to the target's position. If so, then we will first clear the tween. Then we will determine the duration of the tween to ensure that the character moves at the same speed no matter how far they need to travel. This can be done by grabbing the distance from the character's current global position to the target position, then dividing it by speed. Keep in mind that if you want the player to move faster, then you can increase speed. Next, we establish tween with the built-in create tween function. Then we tween the character's global position property to the target's position. We also add a custom transition and ease to the tween to make it look more smooth. This concludes the basic click movement. However, if you want to have a queue system that waits for the player to finish their previous movement before going to the next destination, add a new variable called target position queue. In the input function, we will instead append global mouse position, which means that it will add the global mouse position to the end of the array, making it the last value. Then we will set target position to the first saved position in the queue or array. Next, we will create a custom function called remove queue item, which will update the queue and make sure it operates properly. Inside, we'll remove the first target position in the queue. Then we will check if there are any positions left. If so, then we will set the target position to the first item in the queue or array. Now we need to make this function activate when the tween is complete, as to make sure that the target position doesn't change until the player is finished moving. This can easily be done by grabbing the tween's finished signal and connecting it to the custom function that we made.